At what value of x does the graph y have the horizontal tangent line? If the function has a horizontal tangent line, at that point, the slope of tangent line is equal to 0, right? So the question is to find the value of x where the derivative of y is equal to 0. So we're going to have to find y prime. Y prime is equal to, this is x squared times e to the 2x. So we have to apply the product rule. The derivative of x squared, that's 2x, leave e to the x alone, plus leave x squared alone, and write the derivative of e to the 2x. That's e to the 2x times 2. And if we simplify this, we have a factor 2x, 2x, e to the 2x, e to the 2x. So 2x, e to the 2x, then that's going to be 1 plus x. This is our y prime, and that is equal to 0 when x is 0 or x is negative 1. So x is 0 or x is negative 1. Remember that this exponential expression e to the 2x cannot be equal to 0, right? For all x, this is always greater than 0. So the graph of y here have the horizontal tangent line at x equals 0 and x equals negative 1.